What? What? You talk to Grandma. What? Hi. Hey there. Looks like it's your... What? Yeah. Oh, tell everybody hi. Oh, you're doing your baby exercises. Yeah. Say hi. Or videotaping for hi for Mo. Na, 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 na. And Marianne. Here's your daddy. Hi, daddy.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing? Being goofy.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Where'd he go? Hi. Here's, hi. You don't like him, do you? Huh?
Not at all.
That's your daddy, huh? She keeps looking at the camera. Hi. Why? Talk to us. Why? You talk to Grandma. Hi. Right there. Oh, you can't get up. Not yet. I know you want to get up and play. Oh, bless you, bless you. Goodness. You're getting all excited. Oh, I do love you. Yes, I do. Big girl. You're not going to talk now. You're just talking to Mo. Yes, you was. I'm a big girl. Say pretty girls. You tell her bye-bye, huh? Tell them bye-bye. Tell your Grandma Nancy hello. Tell everybody hi. You're trying to get my phone. You're going to type up on it now while you're young, aren't you? Hmm? Tell everybody night-night. We got to go night-night. Bye. What? Huh? Big girl. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we're not gonna have that. No. No. Hi. Oh. Goodness sake. Yeah. What? You talk to me. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Tell me about it. Tell Grandma all about it. Say, I love you.
You talking?
Yeah.
Is that her?
That was her chair. We've been in here carrying on. Why? Why? There's Mommy. Why? There's Mommy. Oh, yeah. Tell me, did they treat you bad when Grandma's at work? Oh, right. You poor rotten. That's what you are. Oh, you stop that. We be happy, remember? Yes, yeah, we're gonna finish now. I don't even know. Oh, wait a minute.